Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Love Farah Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 22nd June from around the world. Surrender Modi. Rahul Gandhi's tweet. BJP. Congress Rahul Gandhi sharp tweet accusing Prime Minister Narendra Modi of surrender to the Chinese over Ladakh drew angry reactions from the BJP leadership today. While BJP chief JP Nadda took Mr. Gandhi's words as a compliment, others too were incensed. By the evening, hashtag Surrender Modi became the number one Twitter trend as many questioned if Mr. Gandhi had not the spelling of surrender wrong. Others pointed out that the former Congress chief was just playing with words. Mr. Gandhi's post was an article by noted strategic affairs expert Brahma Challenges, which appeared in a foreign publication. The accompanying post read, Narendra Modi is actually Surrender Modi. Emotionally manipulating people. Kamal Haasan tells center over Ladakh. Actor politician Kamal Haasan has cautioned Prime Minister Narendra Modi against trying to emotionally manipulate people over the violence face-off between India and China soldiers in Ladakh's Galwan Valley last week, in which 20 Indian troops died for their country and dozens were injured. In his strongly worded statement, Kamal Haasan hit out at the government for saying that those questioning the Prime Minister's comments at Friday's all-party meeting, during which PM Modi was quoted as saying, "Neither is anyone inside our territory, nor is any of our posts captured," were trying to give a mischievous interpretation to the Prime Minister's remark. Amit Shah holds third meet in a week with Arvind Kejriwal on coronavirus. Union Home Minister Amit Shah had a meeting yesterday with Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal on the coronavirus situation, where it was decided to hold more robust contact tracing and strengthening medical services in areas severely impacted by the virus. Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia was also present at the video conference. Mr. Shah had met the Chief Minister last Thursday when he held a review of the situation in the National Capital Territory, which besides Delhi includes parts of Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Retired Foreign Ministry officer's wife stabbed to death by robbers in Delhi. A 94-year-old retired External Affairs Ministry official was attacked and his 88-year-old wife stabbed to death during a robbery bid at their home in southwest Delhi's Safdarjung enclave, police said on Sunday. B.R. Chawla and his wife Kanta Chawla lived along after the death of their two children a few years ago. The incident took place around 9 p.m. on Saturday when the recently appointed security guard of their building arrived at their home with his 3 associates, the police said. Delhi Health Minister. Condition improves after plasma therapy. The condition of Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain, who tested positive for coronavirus on Wednesday, has improved after he was given plasma therapy at the private hospital. According to doctors, the minister no longer has fever and his oxygen levels have also seen an improvement. The health condition of Delhi Minister Satyendra Jain has improved after being administered plasma therapy. His fever has subsided and oxygen level has improved. Doctors say that he can be shifted to the general ward by tomorrow, the office of Delhi Health Minister said, according to the Health Minister. Hundreds run riot, loot shops in Germany's Stuttgart city. Hundreds of people ran riot in Germany's Stuttgart city center in the early hours Sunday, throwing stones and bottles at police and plundering stones after smashing shop windows. Police are currently securing leads and are interrogating more than 20 people who have been provincially arrested, authorities in the southwest city said in a statement. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.